Son of Faith, and Nancy. I'd like to thank everybody here who's here to support the prison ministry. It's helped me a lot in my life and got me to where I am today. I'd like to also shout out my Glenwood cats. I graduated from Glenwood. Appreciate you guys, man. So, just word of encouragement for you guys, man. Life's not over, man. It's just the beginning. Your testimony is powerful. And I hope you guys can make a difference as soon as you get out. Life's not over, man. Your testimony is just building stronger. You guys are going to change a lot of lives. And I appreciate you guys, man. Hillcrest, I graduated from Hillcrest too, so I appreciate Hillcrest too. Anybody who's been there, and all the mates right here, I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate your testimony. I appreciate your life experiences. Because for what I do today, it's helped me change a lot of lives. Without that experience, without the things that I went through, the struggles that I went through, I wouldn't be able to change half the lives that I've been trying to do. It's been my mission since. Tom, appreciate you, man. We've been through a lot. I appreciate you and my dad. I've seen it every week in and week out for the last 10 years. Waking up every Sunday morning, going to prison, going to jail, asking my mom where's my dad, and living in Sawano with Tommy, I was in Backville, and in all these different places. And it's every Sunday. Right? Consistency is a big thing. And I appreciate everyone in the prison ministry. My mom, I appreciate you. All the moms here. That unconditional love is something I've never seen before. And I appreciate the moms in this building. If you have a child that's locked up, my mom's a big reason why I changed my life, because it's another thing I talk about is consistency. She loved me no matter what, no matter what phase of life I was in. And I appreciate that because it's helped me become the man I am today. And the prison ministry has helped me become the man I am today. And I appreciate my dad. All of the family, I appreciate my family too. I love you guys for always supporting the prison ministry. My wife and my kids. Beautiful people who stand up. Yeah, stand up. Appreciate you guys. That's my wife, Marianne. Appreciate you guys. Again, all the supporters, I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are really helping out, changing the community today. That's it, love you guys. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys.